know, you're a good couple.
Thank you.
And plus, you believe in them. Don't think I don't know, but I do know.
Do you know that guy there with the beard and the bicycle?
I've seen him. Hey!
Hey.
Yeah, he's in here. What's up, man?
Show us your beard.
What's up, bro?
What's your name?
Yeah. My picture?
Your name is Popeye the Sailor Man?
He's great.
Cigarette, nobody smokes.
No, we don't have cigarettes,
You don't smoke?
unfortunately.
I don't smoke, I'm dying. I can't smoke.
Yeah, we're all dying, every one of us.
So, tell us an old limerick.
Why do birds fly south?
Because,
It's too far to walk.
thank you, young man. What's your name again?
Patrick.
Patrick from Atlantic City,
Patrick
everybody.
McLaughlin.
That's an Irishman.
Amen.
Goes up.